is Johnny Herrera. I'm here to prove that the Earth is not a globe, that the Earth is not spinning 1,000 miles an hour. And help me out here. What am I missing? What am I missing?
If I jump in the air,
well, you ain't gonna jump yet. You ain't gonna jump yet, Clyde. Okay. Okay. All I'm trying to prove here is that if you go 767 miles an hour, you break the sound barrier. So if the Earth is spinning 1,000 miles an hour, and I have this road right here that's perfectly straight. It goes north this way, south that way. So the Earth is spinning north. That's what I've determined. Earth is spinning north. So if I were to jump south, then we should break the sound barrier because it's spinning this way, right? Do you agree? Earlier you told me you don't agree. You don't think it's gonna happen.
I don't think it's gonna happen.
Well, then all you gotta do is just jump. You know what I'm saying? Prove me wrong.
Prove me wrong.
Yeah.
So you saying if I jump south
and the Earth is actually spinning, you should break the sound barrier, right?
I'm gonna break the sound barrier.
Man, you go for it, man.
Right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.